Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Ali Sharma here. Hello people, how are you? I hope you are staying happy, healthy and safe. Check this out. I have got this gift box from Htvront for the most special you. That's a nice message and I'm pretty excited to see what's inside. Who are Htvront? Of course, I'll give you the information later in coming videos. So stay tuned on my channel for that. Let's unbox and see what's inside. I'm kind of excited. There must be something good in this. Alright, so let's open the box up and see what's inside for the most special you from Htvront. Ooh, check this out. Yes, I've been waiting for this actually. So we have Htvront, really outstanding, never temporary little envelope right here. Okay, let's see what's inside the envelope. And we have a postcard kind of thing. There's a small note right here which says, "Dear Ali, thank you for supporting Htvront. Life is short, fly more." Yeah, baby, that was my design and check this out. They actually did it. Look at this shirt. Life is short, fly more, with a paramotor on it. This shirt I designed for my electric paramotor flights, and I can tell you this is just superb. Look at this right here. Okay, so this is the shirt right here, and after that we have, come on parrots, shut up, don't fight at this moment when I'm recording the video. We have a beautiful nice glass here which might be able to keep things nice and warm. And this glass right here is not just for you to, drink stuff, but also, check this out, there is a vinyl and transfer paper, I believe. You can cut this vinyl and use the transfer paper and then just put it on the glass the way you want it and make this glass stand out with your own design. Then we have a little pin right here, okay? Which way is forward? I believe this is the pin which will go on your shirt, okay? And we have a straw. Hold on, don't go yet. Let's put on this shirt. Life is short, fly more, and see how I make it look cooler. Ta-da! Check this out. This is a very, very nice fit. Thank you very much, Htvront. Life is short, fly more with OFM E-Glide V4 Lite electric paramotors. This is what I designed for me to wear this shirt when I go flying my electric paramotors. A new shirt, still there are some tags hanging here. But hey, check this out. The fit is really nice. So, if you want to know how to print your own shirts, your own design just like these, stay tuned to my channel. In my next video, I'm gonna tell you how to print these shirts at home as easy as 1, 2, 3. So don't miss that video, because printing custom shirts, you may be able to start a small home business right there. So that video is going to be very, very important. Stay tuned for that. This is not going to stop here. There are many more shirts coming that I'm going to show you in the next video. Fly hard, crash harder, fly it like you stole it, and many more designs that I did. Interesting designs that I did are coming very, very soon. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned on my channel for the next video for more details. Stay subscribed, hit that little bell icon, and turn on all the notifications. I think I'm gonna enjoy this shirt when flying my electric paramotors.